1,000 katao. Pang ano yon, pang brigade, apat na batalyon, mga 2,000 na katao, then you are brigade commander. Dahil sa Thai guerrilla, much higher yung number, so pwede mga 2,000 to 5,000, you are at brigade level. And then and so on and so forth, division level, and then area commander level, mga 3-star na yan. So para lang ma-define. Kasi ayoko nung nag-iirihan tayo later on, then commander, mag-away kayo kasi sino mas mataas. Hindi, de-define ko rin yun. Define natin yun. At the same time, lahat tayo, i-cover natin yung ating magiging J1, no? Commander J1, Commander Office, no?